Hey Jackson, can you talk to me? Oh, are you a sleepy? Can you tell me something? Tell me a story. Yeah? What else? You still have water in your bath? Can you do something interesting? Oh yeah. Maybe if you took your fingers out of your mouth, then we could hear you better. Yeah. Can you give kisses? Can you give kisses? Mwah! No, you can't have the camera, Goofy. Get it. Get some toes. You want mommy's phone? Can you make a phone call? Who you can call? Call somebody. You might call Daddy. Oh, uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Jackson, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're boring. There you go. Now you're being excited. Say bye-bye.